Namaha everyone. Welcome to the Golden Realm Message Part 3. Herein I will reveal the next step of the meditation technique. So let's get ready. So up till now, you have been breathing from your third eye several times, feeling the energy there. You were affirming, I am light and I am light for everyone and everything, 3 times each. Staying with the energy there, you moved on to your heart center between your chest. Breathing from there, feeling the energy there, you again affirmed, I am love 3 times and I am love for everyone and everything 3 times. And then again, feeling the energy there for another 15-20 seconds, I am now going to add third step here, and that is the third important key center in our body through which universe talks to us, and that is your lower abdomen. So now add this third step. You'll be breathing from your lower abdomen for 3-4 minutes, feeling the energy there. You will then affirm, I am energy. I am energy. I am energy. I am energy for everyone and everything. I am energy for everyone and everything. I am energy for everyone and everything. Stay at the center for another 15-20 seconds and then open your eyes, thanking the universe. This finishes the first part of the actual meditation. These 3 centers are connected to universal spirit, mind and body. And when you breathe from here, focus at these 3 centers and affirm here, you actually let the universal light, love and energy to flow unstoppably through you. This whole step and these steps that you have been taking up till now of breathing and affirming and feeling the energy there, feeling the love, feeling the light, will clear your auric field massively, and it will help you in your ascension to the higher frequency. Let me know your experiences. Now let's see what messages await us from Golden Realm for all of us. So we have 3 messages, and these guidances are for the next 5 to 7 days. So the messages for this week are, alright, so there are 2 interpretations for the messages. First one is related to your money, career, some help or support that you're getting. So it is more to do with your affluence, some kind of establishment, some social credit and appreciation for work, people getting to know you, and that is being supported by the second card, which says you will be given that support. There will be somebody who will be really supporting your career, giving you advices, maybe really helping you out and helping others to understand how you work and who you are, what's your personality and attributes are. And this whole incidence of affluence and getting to know more people and people knowing you more will bring about a kind of a change in your thought pattern. So probably in case you are very much reserved, so you'll start becoming social, you'll start communicating, you'll start understanding how world works, and this whole incident of social affluence is going, and that too being held by somebody, is going to bring about a real change in you. So a change is being stirred up divinely. So be very grateful this week. So this is one interpretation. And this particular thing doesn't stop here as far as your career is concerned, because once you change the whole thought patterns, ultimately you land up to co-creating something amazing out of your life. So the whole idea is we are co-creating our life in partnership with divine. So we are never alone. So have that trust in the divine. This person who will be really helping you out, maybe they will remain in your life for short term, but the whole idea is this person plays a very important role in terms of really helping you through this whole process of establishing yourself in the society as a name, as far as your career attributes are concerned, or some help in terms of your business or career or your social affluence personality is concerned. So you're going to really change as a person. Your psychological, mental attributes are going to change. And also you need to understand that you're co-creating your life from now on with the help of divine. So that is one interpretation. The second interpretation is, I can see somebody for sure bringing about this complete divine change through the advent of some very charming person offering love. So basically the first two cards in terms of relationship also calls forth marriage. So in case you are on the verge of marriage or you're looking for somebody, so this the meditation you are doing is also helping you out. The healing that you're doing in the Golden Realm message is also going to help you clear away your relationship energy. So I can see this marriage or this relationship, this new relationship that you are getting into, which will bring about a change in you, and that is how you'll go ahead and co-create your life, is really going to establish you as a person. So whether this applies to you in terms of your career, money, your name, fame, appreciation, or it applies to your marriage and a relationship, this week I'm sure everybody is going to take a leap of faith, is going to be supported, will be able to attract somebody amazing, somebody very creative. So this week is also about creating something out of your life. So probably a lot of you have healed yourself through the meditations that you've been doing, in case you're following my Golden Realm message series. So in case that has been done, you are definitely going to establish yourself in the market, in the society, as an individual who is very much wanted and very much appreciated. So that's a wow thing. So enjoy this week, and also remember this till mid of November, do not get into any litigation matters or any investment matters, or in case you have any issues in your relationship with anybody, and if there is some misunderstandings there, try and sort it out rather than taking a big decision in terms of your relationship, because Mars is retrograde, and all the more we have Pluto has just turned direct, so it brings about transformation. Uranus is still retrograde, as well as Mercury, the planet which looks after communication and your wisdom and your thinking and your decision making, is also retrograde. So all this period is actually for you to really be inactive and let divine work in your life, and you just re-strategize, restart your life based on healing. So this whole year, rather, I would say, has been a year of healing. So internal, spiritual, psychological healing, and really slowing down. So in case, according to what this week's reading says, this decision or something that has to be made is something that is very divinely being done. Okay, so they are major decisions, but divine is taking that decision. So always understand that you are really progressing, because from 10 it moves to 12, that moves to 16, and then that moves to 40. So it's a progressive movement, and once you start trusting the universe, the divine goes ahead and helps you in co-creating your life. So if you just give one hand of faith, 99 hands of divine really come to your aid. Now, whether it is career or relationship, it's a wow week. So just enjoy, just slow down, come back to your own self, do your healing, stay grounded, stay blessed, and keep trusting the universe. Do not question any smaller, impermanent ups and downs that you face. All the best. Do share this video with your loved ones, and in case you want to book your personal readings, you can send me a mail on info@mysteriousbox.co.in. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.